When I first became a manager, I thought the hardest part would be the work. I had no idea that the hardest part would be the people, including myself. Hi, I'm Fernanda Brasileiro. I'm a leadership development leader, consultant, facilitator, and coach. In this channel, I share helpful content to strengthen managers and teams in the areas of leadership, cultural understanding, and confidence. Today, we are going to highlight the three biggest mistakes new managers make, and more importantly, how to course correct. If you're new to leadership or you just got promoted, please stay with me. This one is for you. Now, nobody hands you a manual when you get promoted, and most of us learn these lessons the hard way. I want to help you skip through some of that. Now, let's move on to mistake number one, trying to be everyone's friend instead of their leader. This is extremely common. You are peers, you wanted to be liked, it feels like the kind way to go. I've made this mistake a lot when I was a younger manager. For example, maybe you let a deadline slide because you didn't want to create tension, or you avoid giving hard feedback because you care about the relationship. Being liked and being respected are not the same thing. Your team needs a leader more than they need a friend. The fix that you can use, you can be warm and have standards. You can show up with care and clarity. Set expectations early and hold them consistently. Mistake number two, avoiding difficult conversations. This one is the most common thing that derails new managers. Silence feels safe, but it's actually quite costly. When we avoid having the hard conversation, we think that we're keeping the peace. But what we're really doing is we are letting a small problem grow into a big problem. Avoidance is a short term solution with long term consequences. The team notices, trust erodes. So here's a fix. Here's a simple framework for those difficult conversations. Something like state what you observed, share the impact, and invite the dialogue. Keep it human and not corporate. Courage in leadership is a skill that you build over time, but it's very necessary. And here's mistake number three, managing everyone the exact same way. Fairness doesn't mean sameness. This is a mindset shift that a lot of new managers need. One person on your team might need a lot of check ins and encouragement, another might need space and autonomy. If you treat them exactly the same, you're going to lose one of them. Great managers are students of their people. They pay attention and they listen. A way you could prevent this it would be to have a simple get to know you team conversation in the first 30 days. Ask them, how do you like to receive feedback? What does support look like for you? What motivates you? These questions can change everything. So, just to recap, three big mistakes are wanting to be friends with your team, avoiding hard conversations, and treating every team member the same. Every great manager made these mistakes at some point. The difference is whether you're willing to be aware, observe, adjust, and keep growing. That's exactly what this channel is here to help you do. Drop a comment for us. Which of these mistakes hit closest to home? Subscribe for more leadership content. Thank you so much.